This is Mrs. O'Neill for your Chapter 17 Review Questions and Problems. Again, take a moment to look at this picture. We have a solution, but it has a precipitate in there. Notice what is in our pot. We add some H+, most likely that comes from some kind of acid. And what do we get as a product? What happens to that precipitate? Obviously, there's a reaction going on because I don't want to say dissolved it, because really what's happening is there's a reaction between that acid and that precipitate that's causing more solubility. So we want to remember this is a chapter on titration as well as solubility, that KSP. So you're going to watch the video, but pause when you see the question or problem, and some of them have multiple parts. Answer them mentally or on paper. Do this using your calculator and reference sheets. Continue playing the video to see the answers and solutions and justifications. And some of these are above and beyond what you're going to see on the test, but they are a good review for the AP exam because, again, they're going to pull in from different chapters. And let's look at number 1, foric acid, and they do give you the formula. And I don't know about you, but foric acid is not on the list, so it must be a weak acid. So can you answer A, B, and C? All right, so taking your time, hopefully, here's your answer to A. And I also, again, write out the whole solution. So not only should you be checking your answer, but maybe make sure that your work is looking pretty good as well. Because again, on your AP exam, sometimes they give a point for the work as well as the answer. Letter B. Part of letter C. And your answer to letter C. Again, that ice box really comes in handy. All right, HA and base. Again, HA is just another abbreviation for any weak acid. And here we go for your answer to A. Notice, ladies and gentlemen, I have charges when I need them, and everything is in aqueous state of matter. B. Again, hopefully you have something very similar to that. And here's your answer. Moving on to C. Take note again, water is usually in the form of liquid, and that is not part of any equilibrium expression. Unknown acid. Again, pause, read, come up with some answers. Here we go for A. Again, think about the units that you need and go from there. B, again, that ice box is coming in handy. B again. And I also want to show you that HH equation. So if you use the HH equation, we want to remember you're going to use your initial molarity, though. You got to go back to that initial molarity, not the one at equilibrium. KSP. And answer. Again, hopefully looking at the solution makes sense. Ammonium gas. Answer. Again, since we're dealing with the gas, now they're bringing back PV equals nR2 and, PV equals nRT, and that was chapter 10, gases. Continuing on. And again, using that HH equation is the easy way to go. Or don't use it and use the KW expression. All right, good luck on your test and see you in class.